Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm going to show you in this video 2 breathing techniques to create heart coherence. You're going to find a comfortable seated position either on a chair or just on the ground with a cushion, maybe leaning on a wall, or you can also, optional, you can lay down if it's better for you. So we're going to start. Just get your comfortable position. You're going to close your eyes. You're going to land in your own presence. And you're going to start noticing your breath naturally, feeling how the air comes in and out of your nose without control, just feeling the temperature of the air. The dry, cold air coming in, flowing through the nostrils, and the humid, warm air flowing out the nostrils. Keeping this observation for a few seconds, and at the same time feeling that you are calmer and calmer. So you're going to land on the presence of your heart as well. Just feel the heart center, the center of your chest, the space that's also surrounding your chest. And try to relax in this area, observing it and feeling it. And this first breathing technique is a coherent breathing technique, where we're going to control the inhalation and the exhalation in an equal way. We're going to try to do a slow inhalation for 5 seconds and a slow exhalation for the same amount, 5 seconds. So whenever we're ready, we're going to start controlling the breath. Empty the lungs completely. And then slowly inhale through the nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping this rhythm, inhale through the nose slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping the attention in your heart, keep this rhythm, count silently in your head. Allow the breath to become smooth, to become fluent, complete. Make it slow. And each inhalation, feeling that your heart center fills up with new creative energy. And in your exhalations, you're relaxing and releasing your heart center, maybe from destructive, heavy, frozen emotions, hard feelings. Keeping this rhythm, 5-second inhalation, 5-second exhalation. Try to feel calmness in your heart center, also feeling that the heart is taking that breath, that inhale and that exhale. Stay fully calm, face is soft and relaxed. Nasal breathing, your lips are closed, your teeth are gently together, and the tongue is resting up into your palate. Each exhalation, feel that your shoulders release and also feel that your neck releases as well. And keeping this breathing into your diaphragm. Also, when you feel you're inhaling, feel that your ribs are moving sideways. And when you're exhaling, they're contracting towards the center, inward. Stay calm, keeping the concentration in the breath, in the fluidity of the breath, in making it slow, silent, as well as concentrating in your heart, breathing into it. The inhalations are expanding and bringing creative healing energy into the heart, and the exhalations are releasing relaxing, and feeling a lot more peace. And now we're going to go into the next breathing exercise. We're going to use one of our hands to do alternate nostril breathing. Still going to keep the 5-second ratio into the inhalation and the exhalation. We're going to make it fluent. And bring one of your hands to the chest, connecting still to the breath. And from here, slowly you plug the right nostril. Inhale through the left for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out through the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. In right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping this rhythm. Inhale, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In left. 1. In right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out left. 4, 3, 2, 1. In right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping this rhythm, connecting the inhales and the exhales, alternating your nostrils. Allow it to be fluent, allow it to be smooth, allow it to be slow, controlling it to be slow. So this is really important to calm our nervous system, to connect to the parasympathetic nervous system response, so our hearts can go into coherent. So we're controlling the variability of the heart rate. So keeping also the focus in your heart at the same time, still feeling that your heart expands and fills up with creative energy in your inhales, and that it relaxes and releases and exhales all anxiety, stress, and any hard feeling. Stay calm. Try to keep the concentration and the focus and the attention inward towards the breath. This is a meditative exercise. Feel the connection to your inner space, to a higher level of consciousness, feeling the connection to calmness, slowing down the rhythms, releasing the stress. And this is really powerful healing energy, very important for your overall health. Keeping the attention in the heart, keeping the cycles flowing, the inhale through the left and the exhale through the right, and the inhale through the right and the exhale through the left in an equal manner. Counting silently the 5 seconds in your head, in your inner metronome. We're going to do it for 1 more minute, keeping your shoulders relaxed, micro adjustments in your posture if you need. And try to stay here and now in the present moment, observing the quality of your breath and the effect of the breathing exercise. Keep the attention towards the heart. Feel how the electromagnetic field of the heart expands even more as you feel more calm, more peaceful. Keep the fluidity of the breath, keep the smoothness. And from here, finish your last cycle. And once you are done, you can gently relax your hand on your lap. Keep your eyes closed. And you're going to observe the effect of the breathing techniques. Also feeling and observing still the heart center and keeping an elevated emotion in the heart center. It could be peace, it could be calmness, it could be gratitude, love, joy, or happiness. And hold it in your heart for a few more seconds. And we seal this breathing exercise, this meditative session with gratitude. Thank you so much for joining. You can stay quiet for a few more minutes. Give me a like, a little heart if you liked it. You can share it with other people. You can subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, for practicing. See you in the next video. Bye.